Pines and spruce are not tolerant of shade, including their own shade. And so with age, especially the pines become what we call toothpick pines. They're all trunk, not much top. They still contribute to the landscape. They also drop their needles. They are supposed to shed their older needles every single year, and in the fall, oftentimes that makes people really nervous. It shouldn't, because those needles then can become actually a natural mulch. And if you look at these pines, everything underneath them is a very thin layer of their own needles. The advantage of that is that you don't have to put down any more mulch. They do help suppress weeds a little bit, although it's not thick enough to be able to do much. It's also very difficult to get new plants established in this kind of an environment underneath those pines. So the advantage and the beauty of that is just go ahead and let those pines keep getting older, drop all those needles, use that as the mulch, and then enjoy the difference between the surrounding turf or the perennials and the grasses and that natural mulch.